Hello everyone, Applebuff here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how even you can unlock any locked iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch easily, quickly and safely. So without a further ado, let's roll the video. So the name of the software is UnlockGo by iToolab. And for those who don't know what iToolab is all about, to them I would like to tell the fact that iToolab is one of the very known companies when it comes to making softwares, plus they are being trusted by professionals. Before I begin with today's video, I would like to mention the fact that I'm hosting a giveaway in which I would be giving away 2 one-year licenses of the UnlockGo software, for which all you have to do is number 1, comment below this video stating what's the one thing that you liked about this tool, plus also leave your Instagram ID so that I can reach out to you if you are the chosen one. Number 2, follow me on Instagram as the results of the giveaway will be announced in my Instagram story. And last but not the least, enjoy the video and best of luck. Getting back to the featured product for the day, that's UnlockGo, which basically is a trustable and a professional tool that is specially designed and made to unlock the locked iPhone screens. No matter how password protected they are, either with Face ID, Touch ID and 4 or 6 digit passcode, this software will unlock it. So apart from being able to unlock the screen passcode, this software can even bypass iCloud activation lock easily and safely. This is a free software which is available on the site to download, but of course the link to the site is in the description, so don't forget to check that out. Once you have downloaded the software, you will notice that the interface of the software is pretty neat, clear and straightforward, making it easy to understand in one go. So on the home page you will see 2 options in front of you, but since you need to unlock the screen passcode, so select and go with the first option. The very first thing that you have to do is connect your iDevice with the PC so that the software learns about your device. Once your device gets detected and is learned by the software will provide you with the firmware package that you have to download in order to remove the iPhone screen passcode. The download of the firmware package shouldn't take much of your time, but it absolutely depends on your internet connection. Once downloaded the firmware package, click on Unlock Now, and as a result, UnlockGo software will start unlocking the connected iPhone. And in just a matter of 10 minutes, the connected iDevice will be unlocked. After the process of unlocking the iPhone screen passcode is successfully done, you can now unplug the iDevice and start setting it up. It's that fast. So with that being said, this is Applebuff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.